Hi friends, let me show you this scratch pad that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed for cats and dogs, so you can give them some treats and also so they are able to polish their nails when they play with it, okay? You get an extra grip tape to change it whenever you need it, and you can hide the treats here, okay? You put it like this, and you hide the treats here, so your pets will want to look for them and they will polish their nails. Let's try it. It is a really nice unit, all wood, okay? And you get an extra set of grip tape when this wears off. Let's try it. So we have to teach them where are the treats. Here we have the scratching pad, okay? And here are the treats, okay? Let's cut them in smaller pieces. Let's give them a small one. And the rest will be here. So they will have to look for them. Milo. Moon. As you can see, Milo is scratching the pad to get the treats, and at the same time, he is polishing his nails, okay? As you can see, here are the scratches of the dog's nails. So they have fun, they look for their treats, and they polish their nails. Thank you.